Hey, down here at Lawrencetown Beach finally. Took me exactly an hour to bike here, and I was only just going normal speed too. Yeah, man, this is nice down here. I can't wait to go down here all more. Every couple of days I'll be coming down here. Hey, you see that waves out there? It's like 10, 11 feet high, some of them. Right out here, way out there. The tide's low, so they're coming in pretty heavy. The tide's high, it comes right up past where I'm standing. Yeah. Look at that, eh? Nice surf. Nobody surfing out here yet. Not today. Might have been earlier, who knows. I used to take my dog for a walk. You see the first point out there? And then the second point right out there? Well, when I had Chaz, we used to walk, well, from 3 Fathom Harbor, which is 3-4 kilometers way back there. We'd walk from the house down the trail, out around the first point, down through, and out around the second point. And then we'd be down the end of the beach here, and up over the hill and walk back home. Sometimes we'd walk the point too. Yeah, I remember that. That was awesome, Chaz. I miss you, baby. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this. Look at that, eh? Imagine being on that wave surfing, eh? Oh, yes. Might not be the best wave, but there's more coming. Wow. You see that big wave way out there? Right up on top of my finger? Man, that's like 10 feet high. That's just crazy. There's a bird flying over the waves out there, you see him? Seagulls! Crazy seagulls, eh? Right on, man. Somebody else doing some filming. Oh, man. Get down here a little closer for you. Check it out. Nice and sandy over here. That's it. That's what I want to see. Sand. There we go. Hey, nice sandy beach. Woo, that wave's coming right in at me. Well, that's where I was standing just a second ago. Nice! Oh, look at that big wave! Holy crap! You see that thing coming in? Holy moly! Check out here! You see that? Man, that's crazy! Imagine during a storm or a hurricane how big they can get. Woo! Oh boy, almost got me. Man, during storms and hurricanes, I tell you, the waves get up to maybe even 15, 20 feet here. I don't know. I couldn't see them during Hurricane Earl because it was dark. But, man, I bet it'd be awesome. They blocked the beaches off here on the highways, so you can't even get down here during the storms. So, I guess the best way for me to come down here during the storm is to actually walk it. Walk down the trail, maybe. Who knows? They might even have that blocked. Man, that's something else, eh? Yes, sir. I love it. I'm gonna go stick my hand in the ocean. See how cold it is, eh? Here, wave. Come on in. Don't get me too wet, though. Still gotta make it home. Here it comes. Oh yeah, feels nice and chilly. Oh yeah, here we go. Woo! Oh, I better get out of here. Oh yeah. Man, this is beautiful. Hope you are enjoying this just as much as I am, because man, this is just awesome. Awesome! Oh, what a good way to make a great day even better. Whoa, that is crazy! The waves are huge! Imagine being out there on the surfboard! Man! Like the more the tide goes out, the bigger the waves are getting. Oh, here it goes. Dude, this is crazy! Good old Atlantic Ocean, eh? Look at the wave way out there! You're all way over there too! It's everywhere, man! Crazy. Surf on them, be freaking awesome, eh? You gotta be careful though. There's an undertow out there somewhere. You don't want to get towed out to sea with it or sucked down. Look at that big breaker. Oh, look at that. Nice. I'm gonna get heading home now, man. I know it's only a few minutes, but that's all I needed. Alright, get on my bike and get home, I guess. The reason why I'm leaving now is because it's really windy and the wind's blowing towards me, so yeah, it's going to be pretty hectic getting home in spots. Some of it's protected by trees, but we'll see. We'll get there. There we go, man. Lawrencetown Beach, just like I promised you. Hope you enjoyed as much as me. Hey, thanks for watching. Hey, I'm sitting down here having lunch and check this out. 2 horses. Isn't that neat, eh? Awesome. Yeah. Right on. Gotta love the horses. Isn't that neat, eh? Wow. Pretty cool. Hey, how's it going? Right on. Oh, beautiful horses. Awesome. Right on. Oh, having lunch on the way back. Yeah, I live up Bissett Road, so it's going to be quite a ride back. Have a good day. Wow. Isn't that nice, eh? Those are nice horses. I didn't expect that. They must have come from the barn up there. Oh, they sure are lucky. Awesome, eh? Hope you all like that, eh? Right on. Thanks for watching. Hey, I decided to stop here at this part of the trail because check this out. There's a little hiking trail here, eh? Nice little creek. And brook, they call them out here on the East Coast. West Coast, they call them creeks. Creeks come down the mountain. Brooks meander through the hills. So this is the end of this trail right here. Yeah, this looks pretty heavy duty hiking if you were to go through. Looks like some people have been. You can see the footmarks on the logs. But up and over there, I guess there's some kind of hiking trail. Sunset through the trees, looking nice. So yeah, this is, there was a nice hiking trail, I guess. It'd be nice if it got reopened. So yeah, here it is. Old school trail. This looks like it's been here for a long time. Well, you never know. They might have been having four-wheelers cross there at one point, but it looks like more of a walking trail than anything. Anyways, I'll get back on the bike, head home. So I got about 5 kilometers from here. Actually, there's a marker just there on the tree. So I gotta go that way home. Oh, some duckies. Isn't that nice? See, we got a 5 kilometer mark here. And 1.5 to the beach. So that's 6.5 kilometers from the Salt Marsh Trail at this road. And then another kilometer, 0.5 to the, maybe, yeah, about kilometer 0.5 to the house. 7.5, 8.5, 9 kilometers to the beach. Not too bad. Not too bad at all. So that's an 18 kilometer bike ride today. And it was nothing, I tell ya. Just normal. Anyways, I'll add to the video when I get back up here the Salt Marsh Trail. Right on, man. Cheers. Hey, I'm here at the Canada Goose Bridge on my way home. Check out the seagulls. They're all out there snacking on clams and shells, whatever they can find. It's low tide right now. Yeah. Start coming in. The tide's coming in here, so sun just set. Beautiful, man. Beautiful night. Well, I'm gonna head home. Just thought I'd share this with you. Right on, man. Thanks for watching.